everyone! Welcome back to my video tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you on how to use the Math Trainer to practice and improve your math skills. This tool is great for quick drills, practice problems, and self-checking your answers. Let's get started! First, open the Math Trainer app or go to the Math Trainer website.
Click Sign in with Google.
So here on the main screen, you can choose the math topic you want to practice. You can select topics like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, fraction, and more. Next, you can choose the difficulty level. You may see options like easy, medium, or hard. If you're just starting, it's best to choose easy, then move up to as you improve. Read the question carefully. Type your answer using the keyboard or number pad provided.
Just like this, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6, and 8 divided by 2 is 4.
So if your answer is correct, Math Trainer will show a correct message or give you points. If your answer is wrong, it will show the correct answer so you can learn from your mistake. At the end of the activity, you will see your score, accuracy, and time spent. This helps you track your progress and see which topic you need to practice more. And that's how you use the Math Trainer. Keep practicing every day to improve your speed and accuracy in math. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.